Hey guys, this is question MM057 of the Maths Methods Sharpen Study Guide. We've got a question. The function f satisfies the functional equation f of 2x squared take y equals 2f of x squared minus f of y, where x and y are any non-zero real numbers. A possible rule for the function is. So this is really just a trial and error question. What I would do is start with the simplest functions, so probably the x on 2 and the 1 on x, and then go to the 2 to the power of 2 on x, and then try C and E as well. So pretty much we just have to use one of these as f of x, and then plug in these values for that and see if it works. So let's start with A and test that. So f of x equals x on 2, which means that f of 2x squared take y is equal to 2x squared take y over 2. So all we need to do there is replace all the x's in this function with 2x squared take y. So now we want to see, so this is the left-hand side, and we also want to see if this function, when we sub in 2f of x squared take f of y, if that is equal to this, then that's our correct answer. So 2f of x squared take f of y, oh, that's a weird y equals 2 times x squared over 2. So all we're doing is doing 2 times this with x squared instead of x, minus y on 2, because f of y is equal to y on 2. We just replace the x with the y. So this then becomes x squared minus y over 2. And if we want to get that into one fraction, that is equal to 2x squared minus y over 2, which is actually our answer. So A is our answer. And the way that you test the other ones, and that was just luck, I would have started with this one regardless of if I knew if that was the answer or not. But because that's the simplest one to sort of test, I would test that first. Let's test D just for practice sake, and just see what would happen. So f of x is equal to 1 on x, and we want to find out what f of 2x squared take y is. And so again, all we do is replace x with 2x squared take y, and we can't really simplify that any further, so that's just equal to that. So then we have 2 times f of x squared take f of y, which equals 1 over, or 2 over, because we're timesing this by 2, x squared, so 2 over x squared, minus 1 on y, which is clearly not the same thing as this, because if we have to get it both in one fraction, what we'd do is cross multiply, so we'd get 2y over x squared y minus x squared over y, x squared, which would give us 2y take x squared over x squared y, which is clearly not the same thing as this. So that's what you'd do if you were testing the other ones. And if you didn't get A or D first, you'd just keep going through the list and testing that. So yep, A is our answer.